OK, scores, here we go. Rightio, Darren Palmer, Harry and Tash.
It's remarkable how big this feels. I love it so much.
Oh,
Well done.
Thank you.
Done. Thanks, Darren.
Sarah and George.
There's just not enough. It's not quite there.
Please, Darren.
Daniel and Jade.
I'm in sultry, moody heaven.
Holy crap.
Ooh.
God, that's our first 10.
Luke and Jasmine.
It's wrong because it's not even comfortable to be sat next to.
Jimmy and Tam.
Probably like a 4.
Furniture choice is really critical. They didn't lay this out right in the beginning.
A 7.
Here you go. Shayna Blades. Harry and Tash.
The way they've positioned furniture feels really grand.
Oh, thanks, Shayna.
Sarah and George.
It's got a good footprint, it's comfortable, but it's not grabbing us.
Shades our gods. What more do you want?
Confused?
Yeah, I'm so confused.
Daniel and Jade.
This is the House of Curves. Spectacular.
This was perfect. This was perfect. Was it? Execution-wise, it was.
Luke and Jasmine.
Do you find it really odd that we've got a fireplace shoved in the corner?
And Jimmy and Tam.
It's not giving that right message that this is luxury.
The 7.
OK. See you in a second. It's going to be tight. OK, Neil Whittaker, Harry and Tash.
There is a level of sophistication in this room that blows me away.
Sarah and George.
When will the contestants get this right? I mean, how do they live at home in their own homes?
Daniel and Jade.
It does feel pretty special.
Luke and Jasmine.
A lot of buyers are going to walk in here and dream about how they can live in it.
And Jimmy and Tam.
It doesn't feel like I'm in a living room. This room is a complete fail.
OK. The winner of week 7 on the Block 2020 and driving out of here with $10,000 cash from Ford is... by half a point. Oh no. Terry Tash.
I'm laughing straight to the bank with this. I'm laughing straight to the bank with this.
Oh, well done. Well, congratulations, Harry and Tash. You're going to look like the man, Harry, driving around in the Mustang. Well, yeah. That is if you can get the keys off Tash.
I'm too scared to drive that thing.
Harry and Tash take out their second win for the season with 28.5. Daniel and Jade got pipped for the third time by only half a point. Despite getting savaged, George and Sarah finished third on 25, followed by Luke and Jasmine on 24.5. And Jimmy and Tam will be dining on last place, well, if they had a table to eat at, 21.5. So after 7 weeks, Jimmy and Tam are still on top of the Superpower leaderboard. But now they have company. Daniel and Jade join them on 184. Remember, the team with the most points at season's end wins control of the auction order.